Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ZYPTO token. Now the ZYPTO token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting March 27th. We're going to go over the information on the ZYPTO token. We're also going to review any audits that I could find here, and we're going to see if there's any warning signs. Maybe potentially there's some scam risks, but we're going to check all that out here in a second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token here, it says ZYPTO is a collaborative approach to mainstream adoption. ZYPTO is not just a company, but rather a collaborative movement together with the ZYPTO token community known as ZYPTOnians. Now they have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up on the screen as usual, at ZYPTO_token, blue verified checkmark, over 1,000 tweets, almost 30,000 followers. Right now they're at 29,200 Twitter followers. And they have a full link tree there on their Twitter. And their webpage is linked on there as well, ZYPTOpay.com. Now this token here is on the Ethereum blockchain, and they have a market cap of $46.3 million. So they have a pool on UNISWAP, and it says the pool is locked. 99.78% of the liquidity in UNISWAP is locked. And there is a team finance button where you could click on that and verify that. And you could see that on Dex Screener. You could check out the chart on Dex Screener, on Dex Tools. Token price is around 5.1 cents right now per token. 24-hour trading volume is $77,000. And yeah, you can find them on Etherscan. They already have 4,685 holders. There's 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, their webpage, ZYPTOpay.com, is going to have tons of information over there. See if they have a white paper here in their link tree. So in their link tree, they have Medium articles. They have a LinkedIn, 2 different Twitters, one for ZYPTO Pay, and also there's a link to their app. You can buy ZYPTO with a card, and yeah, then there's their webpage. So they just basically released the V1.6 version, the beta version of ZYPTO. So that's what app they're on right now. So it says here, ZYPTOnians. This is from their very first Medium article here. It says, guess what? ZYPTO app just got a whole lot cooler with the release of the beta version. Live on both Android and iOS. Go ahead and update. You won't regret it. So they have virtual prepaid cards you could swipe into the future. ZYPTO Pay, the payment revolution. It says bug fixes. They've done that. And then, yeah, so then they keep updating. Basically, all their Medium articles is like just new updates for the app and what they've been doing. So all their improvements, basically. So they have different security, bug fixes, things like that you could review on their Medium articles. And the Medium articles you could find on the link tree there. So basically, this token is available on Uniswap. So you could get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the ZYPTO token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, ZYPTO.com. And you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We could check on DEX tools to verify what the taxes are in a second. Or this token just got a brand new MEXC global listing. So March 27th, 16 hours UTC time, this token got listed on, or will be listed depending on when you're watching this video, on MEXC Global. So you can get it by, first of all, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with a USDT, and then go into the trade section and search ZYPTO, and then simply just buy the token. Now, there's a bunch of other tokens being listed at the same time on MEXC Global. So there is a token called Bull Run being listed on MEXC Global on March 27th. There's also another token called Number Go Up Tech. Now, that is definitely a translated name there. I wonder what the original name was in what language there. And then there's another token being listed called Run2Coin RTC DAO. So that token's being listed as well. And yeah, lots of new tokens. And then there's a some very popular meme coin just got listed, Pundu as well, PUNDU. So that one I believe is probably going to be the most popular one. Also GGMT, short for GG Metagame, and just numerous. There's too many to go over here that are being listed. Dingo Coin, is that the old Dingo Coin? I believe that is, oh no, maybe this is a new one, but there was an old Dingo Coin I remember from like a year or two ago. So anyway, stay up to date with this channel and you'll see all these new tokens. Scotty the AI, that token, people were saying that token was a scam. Some people anyways were, I don't know, a couple comments probably. But now that token's being listed on MEXC Global. But I digress. So anyways, you can find this token on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. Now, let's go over the security here. So, like I said, liquidity is locked on Uniswap. Big market cap. They already have over 4,600 holders. 24-hour trading volume's pretty high, $78,000. So, they have a audit by, on DEX Tools, you can find a quick audit by Quick Intel, Go Plus Security, Happy Security Pot, and honeypot.is. Now, it says buy and sell tax is 4%. So that's a good incentive to get it off like something like MEXC Global where there's going to be minimal fees because there's 4% buy tax, 4% sell tax, and there's going to be gas fees. And yeah, so there is some alerts on their audit here. So it says, first of all, tax is modifiable. So that's a big warning sign right there on their audit. So they can modify taxes, who knows how much. There is whitelisting as well. And then Quick Intel says other risks. So that's basically it. We can open up the token sniffer audit as well here. But it says, yeah, 3 warnings. Other risks, whitelisting, and tax is modifiable. So just be aware of that. They got a score on token sniffer. I'm going to put that up here. 75 out of 100. That's not an amazing score. It says, source does not contain a fee modifier. And it says ownership renounced or source does not contain an owner contract. So there's a warning beside that as well. So I'm going to put all the warnings up here on the screen for you guys to check out here. Not a perfect score. There's definitely some risks. So just be aware of that. Now that doesn't mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it has the potential to be pretty scammy when there's a bunch of warnings on their audit. So there's three warnings on their quick audit, and then their token sniffer is 75 out of 100. So be aware of all that, and try to look out for a full audit as well. Maybe they have one listed somewhere that's I just can't see. They are listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So I just opened up CoinGecko, and there's a warning here. It says French Connection Finance has rebranded to a ZYPTO token, migrated from their old to new contract. So that just happened. So be aware of that. And I don't see an audit listed here on CoinGecko. A lot of the times they will be listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. I don't see one on there either. So yeah, just look out for a full audit, full KYC. There is warnings on the quick one, so be aware of that. Yeah, and you know, it's not guaranteed that this token is going to scam you, and it's, you know, it's not guaranteed either way what's going to happen, but there is risks, so just be aware of that. Leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about ZYPTO? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.